Well guys, today in the workshop we had one of these Adventure King MT1 trailers in. Now, we've had a heap of you asking, hey guys, I want to buy Adventure King trailers and can our awnings fit? So the answer is yes, we've made them fit in and we'll show you just how, and this is mainly to go through how the awning went on to this trailer, just to give you a bit of a heads up. So, the trailer itself comes with these adjustable uprights and they're gas strut assisted to lift the awning higher and lower. We have used that as a secondary securing method. The primary one has been the awning brackets that the awnings actually come with, or that are included in the kit. So our awning brackets are bolted on to the back of the awning, and the awning is also attached to those rear, so giving it extra support, super strong and stable. That's pretty much the most stable way we're in about it. Now, this customer has gone with this method on the trailer, so nice big trailer, heap of space and storage with all the pull-out kitchens, and as you guys know, there's a heap of information about these trailers on the internet, but also with a 23/0 family tent. So a great family camper trailer. You can load kids' bikes and everything in it. It's massive. Let's go have a look at the Max. So the Max awning opens up pretty simply. So grab the zip, pull it all the way through, and I just want to show you the stability that we achieved out of this. And I think that's the big thing here. So front awning arms pull out of the way first, and then grab the rear and pull it out the back section. Now I generally like hooking the front up first, so I'm going to literally pull this around and attach this onto an eye bolt, which we have fitted onto the opposite side of the actual, on the opposite side of the trailer. So you're basically pulling back at a 45-degree angle. Now a little bit tricky to get underneath here, but definitely doable. So that's into position there. Pull that into line. There we go. Now coming up to the rear, walk this all the way around. There we go. And I'm going to attach this onto the eye bolt we've attached onto the trailer rungs as well, and tension it up, and there you have it. Now the other thing to note, when we mounted this, we did take into account that the awnings and the rain flies and the extra windows for the 23/0 tent clear. So we actually knocked up a set of custom brackets which receive the poles or the spring rods for the side of the tent as well. So we'll show you that in the cutaway, guys. But that's it. Huge amount of space. 270 XT Max awning. Just look at this. Massive. Covering up your kitchen area, covering up the side, the pantry, the extra luggage space. Great concept for a family trailer tent, and quick and easy to set up. Thanks for watching this. For more information on our products, go to thebushcompany.com. Don't forget to go bush, and I'll catch you later.